on the road to New Orleans for the Bayou Classic. This time we have our girls with us. For those of you that do not know, the Bayou Classic is held each year the day after, 2 days after Thanksgiving. It is a football classic with Southern University and Grambling State University. Big, huge deal. And this will be me and my husband's third year going, and we just have decided to make this a fun after Thanksgiving holiday vacation. And hopefully we'll be able to bring the girls along as long as they want to. All right. Good morning. It is the day of the Bayou Classic. It is Saturday. The girls have left the room to go get breakfast. I don't eat breakfast unless it's fruit. So I chose to take my time, get dressed, and get my mind together before being around so many people and having a fun-filled day.
Huh?
We're walking back to our room and it started to rain. Although the nightlife is not really for my girls. We felt safe, but we had to rush. We covered our heads and walked really fast. So that's what we're doing now. We're walking back to our room. It is Sunday, the day that we travel back. We are getting ready to check out of our hotel, go grab a bite to eat, and possibly do a little sightseeing before it rains. If it rains, our plans are scratched. But we're gonna get ready to check out and go find something good to eat. We made it to St. Louis Cathedral. We'll get a few photos and get some beignets. It stopped raining so we could walk around. So we are in the French Quarter. We got our beignets. If you see it on my mouth, that's because I just devoured mine. Now we're gonna go to brunch.
Hi friends, thank you so much for watching this video and coming along with me and my family to New Orleans for the Bayou Classic. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. Until the next one, have a great one.